Alright, let's do a quick unboxing of a real carbon fiber spoiler for Audi A3 2015. Got this on eBay. It's not cheap. A lot of you would say it's a stupid thing to buy, but when I called in to the dealer and actually asked about how much it costs, this is actually 50% off. It's supposed to be real carbon fiber. Let's see how it looks like. It's very well packaged. Oh wow, it's beautiful. It is real carbon fiber. You can see the raw side on the inside of it, you know. This is the finished side. Alright. Now, I don't have any installation stuff and there's no adhesive, and it was supposed to come with adhesive, so I don't know where that's at. So that's all, just quick unboxing of this spoiler. You can just take a look at it right here. And I'm gonna give you I'm gonna take some pictures and maybe video when I put it on. Thanks for watching.